Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video to discuss about how to layer in your Sketchbook app. So without having time for wasting, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Sketchbook app. So once your Sketchbook app gets opened up, all you need to do is simply press on the layer like option in the diagonal shape. So once you do this, press the add option to add up layers in your Sketchbook app. So to add as much as layers you want to add, you need to simply repeat the steps as it is. So if you continuously repeat this step, this will help you add layers in your Sketchbook app. So this is how you layer in Sketchbook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.